report on movies, we try to, instead of using individual PDF, I wanted to put the report here. Okay. Like each chapter is each group, so you guys are chapter, what is it, 7 and 8, 6 and 7? Oh, not perfect. Can you hear? Can you hear? Can you hear? So please try to put it here. And at the end of the semester, we want to have sort of a book of non-physical scenes in the movies. It'd be nice to have. So sort of like think about you guys writing one chapter of a book, okay? Chapter 1, Spider-Man, chapter 2, Flash, chapter 3, Conan, something like that. Okay, so this is collaboration. We together write a book, okay? And then it's the same for the English one too. Oh, you guys didn't talk about English, no? But did you know that we are trying to learn physics English here too? So here, so you guys also make a chapter and then put everyone like new English words here. Okay, one person, one word. Okay, one phrase. And then this is also going to be a book at the end of the semester, that the list of difficult words in physics. Okay. So, yes, question?
How is that 25% of the other 30? So the virtual physics is 50%, right?
Yes.
25% report and 25% presentation.
Yeah.
Okay. So how is that going to count in this situation? Because initially it was the personal individual report, right? But now if we make it like a group kind of thing.
No, it's individual, still individual.
Still individual.
Oh,
I mean for the report.
Yes.
So individual, and like everyone has to put their report there, or?
Yes, everyone has to make a report. Yeah. So you can see like so everyone has each one has a scene, right? So each chapter is one fixed movie, but everyone talk about different scenes. That's how it works.
Instead of making the whole report, we have to only put our own report.
Right.
Own part of it.
Yes. Also, the report is the same. Just writing it in the same document. That's about it. Okay. So that's one thing, and then then I want to go here. I hope this is working. Is it working now? I hope it's working. Is it working? Yes, it's working. Okay, so for remaining time, we talk about a little bit about continuation, electronic potential differences. So you have a electronic field, in this case E, and then there's a potential difference between B and A. About the amount of this amount. If you integrate A to B electronic field, this is going to be a electronic potential energy. Or you can write it in a different way. If you write it in a vector, then this length, delta R, times electronic field. Electronic field is the unit difference in terms of the voltage, right? Then if you multiply this, you get the potential difference is delta V. Okay, this someone okay. The potential differences is the unit is energy unit is electron volt. Sometimes we use, then 1 electron volt is E. It's 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19. So it's going to be this number, minus 2. typical potential differences, I think this was related to someone talking about thunder. So human arm and legs, this is 1 millivolt level. And then we know the battery is 1.5 volt, right? The car battery is 12 volt, higher. Electronic outlet, how many volts are there? It's 100 in Taiwan, right? If you go to Europe, it's 220 or something like that, right? Or South America. Teaser, this is, do you know what is teaser? Aaron, do you know what is teaser? Aaron, you go out. Aaron, if you're playing, please go out, okay? You don't need to come, okay? If you don't want to listen, okay? So teaser is a weapon of U.S. policemen, right? They shoot the bad guys. And then it's 1200 volts. And then this is about the limit that humans do not die. So this is, then you get, your muscles get numb, so the bad guy cannot run away or move. But then as someone was saying, how many volts are thunder? Who talk about thunder? Of is the first group, right? Not Conan, but then Flash. I forgot who talked about thunder.
I forget like last week.
How many volts do you remember?
I don't remember volts, but like I calculated current.
Okay.
So it was like 10,000 current amps.
Okay.
So
That makes sense because human is how many ohm is human body? Someone also talk about it, right? 10 ohm, right? So if you multiply these, you get 100 million volts. Okay, so it's time, right? Time has come, right? So I cannot finish this lecture. There's a question that I wanted to do, but then I need to send you the video again. So please watch the video for the rest of the lecture. I mean, this is why I wanted you guys to keep time so that I have some time to do the lecture, but it's okay. Okay, then we need to stop here, unfortunately. Then, so thank you very much for the good presentations, and then see you on Friday. Okay, good. Okay, see you next time.